Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. This chapter is on how to activate and set up auto start and stop times. The timer feature is only available on certain oven ranges. If you press the configuration key and see the screen has a timer logo, you can follow the steps in this video to change the timer function. If you press the configuration key and find there is no timer logo like this, you will need to contact your supplier to get a timer activation license key. This key can be upgraded in the field, so please contact us at enquiries@genlab.co.uk with your oven model and serial code. The timer modes can be selected as one of three functions: 1. Countdown timer, 2. Profile mode, and 3. Real-time clock timer. The home page will highlight which timer mode is activated. To change timer modes and adjust timer settings, enter the password 0381 using the up and down keys and press enter. Press the timer icon. Make sure Enable Timer is set to yes. If it is set to no, you will not get a toggle switch on the home screen as shown here. In this chapter, we are setting up the real-time clock operation of the oven, which will work in a very similar method as your central heating system. Highlight the 24/7 RTC and set the start and stop times you want the oven to run to. You can enter 2 start and stop times per day. If an invalid time is entered, the value is shown in red and will remain red until a valid time is set. Enter a start and stop time for each day you want the oven to run. To accept these changes, press the configuration icon, then Home, and accept these changes. You will now notice on the run screen you have a time clock/manual mode. When set as manual, the oven will work in normal conditions. When set as timer clock mode, the oven will start to heat up only in the set times. The fans will remain on at all times as a safety feature, but the elements only heat up between the on times. The status bar highlights when the oven is running, as shown here. If the oven is in energy saving mode and you want to start the oven earlier than normal, press the start icon. The oven will now start and turn off at the next preset off time. To cancel the off times, stop the oven by pressing the red icon, then press manual mode and press start again. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk/videos.